guys, simply AlRitch here or AlRitch Marine. Just want to share this good news to you. Not sure if you have noticed this update from Facebook that we can now edit our Facebook Reels. So right now I'm here at my Facebook account AlRitch Marine. This is my personal profile and I'm going to the Reels section. Just click that more. Then simply click any of the reel that you want to edit. You can now edit the title, the description, and also change the cover photo. So before, like if we made a mistake to the title, like it's an incorrect spelling, or if you want to add additional hashtag, or if you want to change the photo, you cannot do that because once you have published the reel, you cannot edit it. But right now, this feature is now available. So let's try to do that. For example, this one, I'm going to edit this reel, the video of my father and mother eating mangosteen. So simply click the three small dots at the lower right and then click edit reel. So you can now edit the title. Okay, let's try to capitalize this. Then I'm going to add additional treasured moments. Not sure if I have treasured moments. Treasured moments. Yes, we don't have treasured moments, and you can also edit the cover photo. Like if you want to like highlight the section where it will entice more your viewer to take that action to play your video. So for example, you want to focus on the mangosteen, yeah, because before it automatically pulls first second of your video the image. Okay, let's try to find a nice so it will load the images of your video, so you can select from the video, or you can choose a different photo. Like if you have screenshot something, then you just need to upload it. So we'll try. You just have to drag. It's a way to select. I think I will choose this one. Yeah, that one. This one. Because I can see the mangosteen and then my father and mother. Okay, I'm going to select that one and then let's save. Then make sure to refresh, guys, to see the changes. You can see now, guys, the image has been changed. Then let's try the title. So as you can see, it's now capital S, capital C, F, and then we have added treasured moments. So that's it, guys. Just happy that we can now edit our Facebook reel, but this is only available in our own Facebook profile. So it's not yet available in our Facebook page. Hopefully, very, very soon, we can now also edit our own reels from our Facebook page. So let's try to see that one. If that option is available. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, if you click the three small dots, there's no edit reel here. So that one, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something from this video. Bye.